Hello and welcome. I'm the founder of the IFBB Nordic Academy. It's fantastic to have you join me today as we explore what truly sets the IFBB Master Coach program apart. You see the title on this slide, the highest level of education available in fitness and bodybuilding coaching. That's not just a tagline, it's our mission and our commitment. We created this program because we saw a need for a truly elite level of education, something that goes far beyond standard certifications. This program isn't for everyone. It's specifically designed for dedicated professionals. Perhaps you're an experienced coach seeking to elevate your skills, or a seasoned athlete ready to transition your passion into a high level coaching career. If you're ready to move beyond general training and truly master the art and science of preparing athletes for the competitive stage, then you are exactly who we built this for. What we offer isn't just information, it's a transformation. It's about equipping you with unparalleled expertise, fostering critical thinking, and building the confidence you need to establish yourself as a genuine expert in this demanding field. Now, over the next few minutes, through these next slides, I want to walk you through exactly how we achieve this. We'll look at the unique features of our curriculum, the world-class experts you'll learn from, the emphasis on practical application, and the power of the globally recognized IFBB certification. So, let's dive in and explore how you can become an IFBB Master Coach. Let's break down exactly how the IFBB Master Coach program delivers on its promise of elite level education. First, this is a 6-month program structured around 5 intensive weekend modules. Now, I understand that many of you are busy professionals. That's why we've designed this program with flexibility in mind. Those intensive weekends are spread out over those months, and the entire program is delivered 100% online. You can participate from anywhere in the world. We also have a specialized focus. This isn't a general personal training course. We're laser focused on the specific needs of competitive fitness and bodybuilding. We provide in-depth coverage of competition preparation, the recovery phase, and the crucial off-season areas that most personal training courses simply don't address. You'll be learning from renowned experts. We emphasize peer learning and real-world application. You're not just absorbing information, you're actively engaging with it and with other experienced professionals. You'll also get access to over 2,000 pages of course material in PDF format. This is a comprehensive resource you can refer to throughout your career. And you'll have access to pre-recorded lessons and other resources to support your learning. Finally, the curriculum is evidence-based and continuously updated. We explore everything from the fundamentals to advanced techniques. And you'll have lifetime access to all course materials and updates, ensuring you always have the latest information at your fingertips. This program is designed to give you the tools and knowledge you need to excel in the world of physique coaching. It's a deep dive into the art and science of the sport, delivered in a flexible and accessible format. So, if you're ready to take your coaching to the next level, keep watching to learn more about the IFBB Master Coach program. And now let's talk about the outcome. This pyramid illustrates the hierarchy of skills we build. It starts with foundational mastery and culminates in high-level strategic coaching. At the base, we have competition cycle mastery. This isn't just about contest prep, it's about expertly managing the entire athlete journey, the crucial transitions between the off-season, in-season preparation, and the vital post-competition recovery phase. You'll learn the specific protocols and strategies needed for each distinct period. Moving up, we focus on advanced knowledge application. This is where we go deep into the science. You'll gain a profound understanding of sports physiology, anatomy, and exercise-specific biomechanics. We cover advanced nutrition, evidence-based supplementation, and the application of ergogenics, the real science behind optimizing performance and physique. Building on that knowledge is evidence-based design. You'll master sophisticated periodization models specifically for competitive athletes and learn how to manipulate resistance training variables to drive continuous progress and break through plateaus. It's about designing intelligent, effective programs based on science, not guesswork. Next, true mastery involves knowing how to track progress effectively. You'll learn data-driven approaches to monitor your athletes, make precise adjustments, and ensure they peak perfectly for competition day. This involves understanding metabolic adaptation, weight manipulation techniques, and interpreting feedback. And finally, at the pinnacle, strategic coaching. This encompasses the long-term vision and analytical approach needed to guide an athlete's entire career. It includes developing strong athlete-coach relationships, understanding coaching psychology, managing athlete motivation, and navigating the ethical considerations of performance enhancement. It's about becoming a true mentor and leader. Building on those advanced skills requires a deep foundational understanding of the human body and the intricacies of competitive preparation. So, what specifically will you learn in the program? You see the detailed anatomy here. As coaches, we need to understand the body at this level, but knowledge alone isn't enough. This program teaches you the art and science of competitive bodybuilding. It's about mastering that delicate balance. You need the scientific principles, the biomechanics, the physiology, the nutrition, but you also need to understand the art of presentation, symmetry, and conditioning that defines successful competitive physiques. We teach you how to integrate both for maximum impact on stage. We delve into advanced supplementation strategies, forget guesswork, and bro science. You'll learn evidence-based approaches to supplementation, understanding what works, when to use it, how to stack effectively, and how to implement these strategies safely and ethically for a genuine competitive advantage. Critically, we focus on the practical application of muscle anatomy. Understanding the muscles, as shown here, is step 1. Step 2 is knowing how to translate that knowledge, along with complex biomechanical principles, into targeted training protocols. This is how you achieve optimal physique development for each individual athlete. And finally, we ensure you master managing the entire competitive cycle. As we touched upon earlier, this is crucial. You'll gain expert guidance on navigating the critical transitions between preparation, the competition itself, and the vital off-season recovery and development phases. This holistic understanding is key to fostering continuous, long-term improvement in your athletes. This depth of knowledge, combining the art, the science, the practical application, and the understanding of the entire competitive journey, is what empowers IFBB master coaches to achieve truly exceptional results. Now, a crucial question. Who is this elite master program actually designed for? Firstly, it's for experienced fitness professionals. Perhaps you're already a successful coach with an established career. You have a solid foundation, but you're looking for that next level. You want to specialize in the demanding world of competitive bodybuilding and physique sports to truly elevate your practice and achieve outstanding results with high-level athletes. This program provides that specialized cutting-edge knowledge you need to stand out. Secondly, it's perfect for aspiring competition coaches. Maybe you're currently a personal trainer focused on general fitness, but your passion lies in the competitive arena. You want to move beyond the basics and develop the specific skills required to guide athletes effectively through the unique challenges of contest preparation and onto the stage successfully. This program bridges that gap, giving you the targeted expertise you need. And thirdly, we designed this for athlete coaches. Many competitive bodybuilders and fitness athletes possess incredible practical knowledge gained through their own journey. This program allows you to formalize that hard-earned experience, deepen your understanding of the underlying scientific principles, and apply structured, evidence-based methods to your own training and competition. Or even begin coaching others with greater confidence. Whether you're looking to specialize, transition into the competitive scene, or formalize your existing expertise, the common thread is a dedication to excellence and a desire to operate at the absolute highest level of bodybuilding and fitness coaching. If you see yourself in one of these groups, you're in the right place. But what makes the IFBB certification itself so valuable? Let's explore that next. In a world with many certifications, you might be asking, what really makes the IFBB Master Coach program different? Why choose this specific path? First, deep specialization. We are laser focused on competitive physique coaching. This isn't a general fitness program trying to be everything to everyone. Every module, every lecture, every skill is tailored to the unique demands of preparing athletes for the bodybuilding and the fitness stage. Second, mandatory practical application. Theory is important, but results come from doing. Our program includes a real-world coaching project. This ensures you can actually apply what you learn, demonstrating proven competence that goes far beyond simply passing an exam. It's about bridging the gap between knowledge and real-world success. Third, our expert faculty. You'll learn directly from leading authorities in the industry, researchers, top coaches, and experienced professionals. You're getting insights and knowledge straight from the source, from the people shaping the future of the field. Fourth, the evidence-based core. Our entire curriculum is grounded in solid scientific research, not just tradition or anecdotal experience. We teach you the why behind the methods, empowering you to make informed decisions and utilize strategies that are proven to work. And finally, IFBB Global Credibility. This certification is backed by the International Federation of Bodybuilding and Fitness, the most recognized and respected organization in the world for our sport. This credential carries significant weight internationally, opening doors and providing instant credibility with athletes and potential employers. It's this unique combination: deep specialization, practical proof of competence, learning from the absolute best, a commitment to science, and the power of the IFBB brand that makes this master program unlike any other coaching education available. Now, let's crystallize the core reasons to become an IFBB Master Coach. Why should you take this transformative step? First and foremost, you will develop elite, specialized coaching capabilities. This program equips you with the advanced skills truly needed for competitive success. Skills that go far beyond standard personal training. You'll master the intricacies of physique development, nutrition periodization, and contest preparation at the highest level. Secondly, you earn the globally recognized IFBB certification. This isn't just any certification, it's a prestigious credential backed by the world's leading authority in bodybuilding and fitness. It's respected worldwide and instantly communicates your expertise and commitment to potential clients and employers. Third, you gain access to an elite professional network. When you join this program, you become part of the IFBB family. You'll connect with other high-level coaches, industry leaders, and the expert instructors themselves, opening doors for collaboration, mentorship, and continuous learning. And finally, this program empowers you to become a leader in competitive coaching. It allows you to truly differentiate yourself in a specialized, high-value market. You won't just be another trainer. You'll be a sought-after expert, positioned to lead, innovate, and shape the future of physique coaching. These reasons, elite skills, global recognition, invaluable connections, and leadership positioning encapsulate the profound impact this program can have on your professional journey. It's about investing in yourself to reach the absolute pinnacle of your field. Now let's talk about how you can make this investment and take the final step. We've shown you what sets it apart and who it's designed for. The final question really is the one you see here. Are you ready for elite competitive coaching mastery? If the answer is yes, if you feel that drive to reach the next level, here are your next steps. First, explore, dive deeper into the specifics. Visit our website, where you'll find detailed program information, upcoming module dates, and all the investment details. Second, inquire. We understand this is a significant decision. If you have any questions about the program, the curriculum, the instructors, anything at all, please reach out. Contact us directly using the information on our website. We're here to help you make an informed choice. Third, apply, or rather enroll. Since enrollment for our current program is open, this step is about taking action now. Don't wait for the next cohort the next year. Secure your spot today to join this transformative journey immediately. You can enroll directly through the links on our website. And finally, excel. This is the ultimate goal. By completing this program, you will transform your coaching career, gain recognition as an industry leader, and develop the expertise to truly make a difference in your athletes' lives. As the slide says, this program demands commitment, a willingness to engage in practical application, and a genuine drive for excellence. It's a challenge, but one that yields incredible rewards. If you're ready to embrace that challenge, if you're ready to take the definitive next step in your professional development and become a recognized expert in competitive coaching, then don't hesitate. Visit our website, explore the details, and contact us today. We are excited to welcome the next generation of IFBB Master Coaches. Thank you for watching.